usually think of black holes as vacuum cleaners, where nothing escapes. But what if I told you that's wrong? What if I told you that a black hole could be the greatest power source in the universe? It sounds like science fiction, but according to the laws of general relativity, it is theoretically possible to fly up to a black hole and steal its energy, and the process is known as the Penrose Process. To pull off this heist, you need a specific type of target, a Kerr black hole. That's just physics speak for a black hole that is spinning, and almost all of them are. There are 4 main types of black holes: stellar black holes, born from collapsing stars, and supermassive giants that anchor galaxy centers. Between them lie the elusive intermediate mass black holes. While tiny primordial black holes may have existed since the dawn of the Big Bang, when a massive object, like a black hole, spins, it doesn't just spin itself. It drags the very fabric of space-time along with it. Imagine trying to stand still in a whirlpool. You can't. The water forces you to move. Around a spinning black hole, this region where space-time itself is moving faster than light is called the ergosphere. Crucially, the ergosphere is outside the event horizon. That means you can enter it, and if you are fast enough, you can still escape. This is the zone where the heist takes place. Here is the plan, first proposed by physicist Roger Penrose in 1969. You fly your spaceship into the ergosphere. You are now being violently dragged around by the twisted space, moving incredibly fast. Once inside, you perform a precise maneuver. You take a piece of masse, a pod full of garbage, and you eject it violently backward, toward the black hole's event horizon. Because of the bizarre physics inside the ergosphere, that ejected garbage can have what's called negative energy relative to an observer far away. When the black hole swallows this negative energy, its total energy decreases. But conservation of energy is still king. The energy lost by the black hole has to go somewhere. It is kicked back to your spaceship. The result? Your spaceship gets a massive gravitational boost, flinging you out of the ergosphere with more energy than you had when you entered. You have successfully stolen energy from the black hole? So, where did that free energy come from? You slowed the black hole down. You converted a tiny fraction of its immense rotational energy into speed for your ship. You could repeat this process for billions of years until the black hole stops spinning entirely. It is the ultimate, nearly infinite, renewable energy source. While we won't be building black hole power plants anytime soon, it's a stunning reminder that the universe is far stranger and potentially more useful than we ever imagined. If you want to learn more about the bizarre reality of black holes, check out our other videos. Thanks for watching, and stay curious.